Hey, this is Buddha Ninja, and we're here to make another video. And we're gonna do something different. We're gonna do a double mako. And I like this setup. It's good, it's consistent, it's a spammer, and we're gonna use what is setup? Double makos. We're gonna use the Crusader gun, we're gonna use the HIMARS as our consistent spammer build. Alright, and I think that's it. We got the helicopter on there. Yep. Alright, so let's go take this into tandems and let's go see what a double mako build can do for you. Some people like being the spammer builds. There's a couple different missiles that are good for it. The Parlay's considered kind of S tier for it. I like the mako better than the Parlay. The makos are just more consistent for me. The Parlays probably hit a little bit harder, but they don't land as much. So okay, so here we go. Let's make sure we turn it up. So the Shiloh, even though I tend to like to use it up close, I don't have the grenade launcher for it. So we are going to try to stay a little back, and here we go. And because of this, we are... Now see how fast everything reloads? Like I've already sent 6 volleys. Of course, we died exceptionally fast and I wasn't paying attention, so I should have healed up before that. So that's horrible. But let's go ahead. Let's go back out. Oh, that's why I was getting hit from 2 different sides. So that can make things a little bit harder. See, look at just missile spam is what you're pretty much just doing non-stop. So, we still haven't killed anybody yet, but... Oh, we did finally get a kill. Alright, so we got 1 kill with the double mako spam build. Let's heal up. My helicopter sending torpedoes into islands. That's always nice for your damage total. So, let's see. Can't see anyone around us but this guy, and he's hiding. We did try. We might get that kill. No, we still didn't get that kill. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright. We almost had that kill, but we were so close to death that I didn't want to risk it. Alright. So, oh, our team is in the lead, so we're doing alright. Yeah, I love this consistent build. But with all this extra getting attacked from 2 sides, it makes it a little hard. But it's also showing you can stay in the fight pretty much. But, oh, see, look, I already took damage. I didn't even get hit yet. Jeez. Are we going to be able to take him out? Oh, so close. We still didn't get the kill. I cannot believe that. Alright. So, circle around. See, the flare doesn't matter. That's why I like this build. Like, you're just launching. Like, my missiles haven't even landed yet. Oh, he knew to get out of there, so that was pretty smart. That is part of the problem, is he just wiped out almost 2 volleys of my stuff because I couldn't get there quick enough before he canceled them out. But if he wouldn't have got under cover, I would have sent 2 more volleys at him, so. Oh, very good. He got us another kill, so we're tied for first. We're back to this. So much damage. Jeez. So, we got first place, and we did get a second kill, which kind of disappointing, but I was expecting a little bit more. So we did over 2 million damage. We're going to see where that got. So the double makos, we still landed over 50% of our shots for 400,000 damage. Our Crusader was hitting at 66. Our HIMARS, which we were using as flares, so we don't expect those to be landing. That's how we're kind of using our double makos. The Alka's doing its job. The Seawolf doing its job. The Ram actually got up to 37%. Our Comanche, you saw, we didn't even take control of, and it still got 200,000. So it's easy to pile up damage if you just keep doing that type of stuff. So that is our double mako build. I don't know if anybody will like it, because you kind of gotta not let the person hide, as you saw already. So I want you to have a wonderful day. That's my double mako build with some HIMARS and the Crusader, which I'm loving the Crusader. We'll probably make a little video about that. I want you to have a wonderful day. Enjoy life. Till later. I'll talk to you later.